Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best outdoor fire pits that are available on the market. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible. Starting at number 5, we have Outland Living Series 401 44-inch fire pit. This is the best-seller outdoor fire pit, which is also large in size, hence brings about efficient fire distribution. The fire pit is very safe and has been approved by the CSA. It is a stainless steel burner rated at about 35,000 BTU for a terrific flame. The fire pit is also durable due to the strong and sturdy construction. It is user-friendly as it features the chrome manual control valve that brings about 100% free smoke variable flames. Due to this, you will find it ideal for outdoor use at different points like camping site, backyard, and patio among others. Moving on at number 4, we have Solo Stove Bonfire Fire Pit. When you need a unique and versatile fire pit that will provide more reliable service, then this is the ideal pick for you. The fire pit has a stainless steel construction, which offers a long-term service. It is known to push the limits of efficient combustion due to increased airflow, hence you get the adequate amount of heat. It also produces low smoke as it burns completely. Other than this, the fire pit is easy to assemble since it features the hardware needed for the installation. Besides this, it is also portable, hence appropriate for use at different places like backyard, patio, camps, and beaches among others. At number 3, we have Sunny Days 30-inch large fire pit bowl. The Sunny Days 30-inch large outdoor fire pit is one classic and durable fit pit that you will find perfect for years of service. This is due to the sturdy and heavy-duty steel cast iron material built, which makes it strong and durable. The traditional fit pit also features 10-inch slanted legs that keep it steady. For quick portability, it has convenient handles on each side. The fire pit is also easy to assemble since it comes with the hardware plus instructions for the assembly. This fire pit is large in size, which makes it perfect for a large amount of wood. Other than this, it is also deep. At number 2, we have Best Choice Products HexShaped Fire Pit. For long-term service, it is always vital to check out for the best fire pit, which is durable and safe. Here is one quality fire pit with steel design to make it long-lasting and durable. It also features the bronze finish plus the lattice design that makes it ideal for the outdoor decor. The fire pit is deep and wide, which implies that it can hold more wood to keep the fire burning for long. It also has the flame retardant lid that aids in limiting the number of ashes from emitting the flames. Lastly, the versatile fire pit is appropriate for use on the porch, patio, backyard, and garden among other places. And finally at number 1. Firesense 29-inch folding fire pit. Where do you wish to use the fire pit? This is a portable outdoor fire pit that comes with a carrying bag for easy portability. Due to this, you will find it appropriate for use in different places. It also folds easily and has a lightweight. The quality and durable fire pit also feature cooking grate and log grate. Other than this, it has a heat-resistant painted bowl plus a fire screen to contain the fire.